A travel trailer that sleeps up to 9 and is fully electric? No way! Yes way. Here she is. Welcome to the Wolf Den 26 EV. Y'all, I'm Trish Sir for Camping World, and honey, this is the first fully electric RV I have been in, and what a interesting floor plan it is. Let's talk about it, shall we? When it comes to electric vehicles, everybody knows lighter the better. In RVs, the lighter the better for what you're hauling down the road. Well, they definitely pared back on this Wolf Den, giving you a lot of open storage, but it's this really cool kind of minimalist vibe, which I'm into. A lot of open, mid-century modern-esque layout. There are cubbies that come with it. So you've got these great little cubbies for storage that come in for all the organizing that you need. Right here before you even get into the queen size bed, which is a walk around, storage on either side, power ports with USB and USB-C on either side of the bed. You've got this great bookshelf that's doubling as an entertainment center. So it's got the TV mount, TV prep ready. That can go right here. And of course, all that storage underneath. You've got the bed that is open, so you don't have the heavier stuff underneath, but you could put storage underneath. So that's another great feature, and storage up and down either side of the bed, which forgoes the normal wardrobes that would come in if you were having something that was maybe powered by gas. With the electric vehicle, again, it's the lighter, the better, because you're powered by battery, right? Now we step into the sofa area, which great. Also, pull out, sleeps too, which is fantastic, because let me remind y'all, she sleeps up to 9. I know, I just can't understand how you get it done. There's great storage here. Above head, great magnets on these too, so it's really super safe and secure. And now we're gonna step in to the kitchen dining area to show how they made the best use of space while still keeping it pared down. Stepping into this flow of the space, it is a great use of space. Again, pared down and minimal, because with anything that is EV, fully electric, you want the least amount of weight. So think about the fact that there's not doors up here, it's open cabinetry, which can get a little dicey when you're on the road, but I do love how minimalist and clean it is. I love the wash of the oak and really great use of the curved lines. Again, that mid-century modern vibe that's going to go with that electric vehicle flow. I enjoy that. You've got that high-rise sink and matte black, which we love. Some hooks for dish towels, possibly utensils, maybe pots and pans. You've got an undermount sink, pressed countertops, some light storage here, and a fireplace, which is right here off the dining area. So don't panic. You've got storage in the dining, which we love, under the seats, which also converts to yet what? Another sleeper. I know. You just keep putting, heads in beds around here. Now, this is a feature that was new to me, and I got super excited. Normally, I'd just be like, Trish, why are you getting excited? It's a microwave. Oh, it's a microwave and an air fryer. What? So really, when you go, wait, there is no cooktop in here. There is no range or oven in here. I know, but you get a microwave air fryer combo. So that is kind of cool. And instead of a traditional larger fridge, they went with a more eco-friendly version of a double-doored loaf fridge. Can storage, condiments, it's a great size. So that also, again, getting back to what's going to make an electric vehicle more functional, as light as you can possibly make it. Great deep storage, just no doors. So again, making sure you have everything secure is very important on this, but great depth in storage. And then you turn over to the dining area and you've got, look, great magnets. Storage again. So that's a lot of deep storage where they did invest in these heavier magnet doors. They are substantial and they are sturdy, so that's great. And shifting back, you've got that bunk teddy bear, that teddy bear plush bunk. This again sleeps up to 4 over here. I know, up to 4, absolutely crazy. So now we're at 9 people that could be in here, and all 9 people are using all this space. And what? The bathroom, shall we? Now, I know she's petite, but it does have a tub basin, and you've got the shower with a removable handheld. You've got low profile vanity, very minimalist in here, but at the same time, toilet, pedal flush, it gets the job done. So they definitely thought about light, functional, and weight in here. She's easy breezy, this Wolf Den. With a 12-foot awning, TV ready, I'm telling you right now, this Wolf Den 26 EV is the perfect electric vehicle. So what are you waiting for? Get into your local Camping World today. Tell them Trish sent you, and we can't wait for you to check out this Wolf Den. See you soon.